Are you ready to embark on a journey that could transform your life? I'm not here to offer you empty promises or temporary fixes, but rather, I'm about to reveal a life-changing secret that, if embraced, has the power to reshape your destiny forever. So, grab a seat, clear your mind, and get ready to unlock the hidden potential within you. Because in the next few minutes, I'm about to drop a bombshell that has the potential to liberate you from the monotony of everyday life. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in a loop where every day feels the same, if you're yearning for a breakthrough, then this is your moment. Are you excited? Well, you should be, because what I'm about to share with you could be the catalyst for a profound transformation. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, a special welcome to you. I'm thrilled to have you join us on this journey of self-discovery and positive transformation. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where life seems to be dragging you down, and every day becomes an indistinguishable repetition? If you felt that way, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking free from the chains of routine and exploring the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Thank you to all our returning community members. Your support means the world. And to those just joining, I'm grateful you're here. Now, let's dive into a concept that could be the key to unlocking a new chapter in your life. Imagine saying 7 words that have the power to alter your reality in just 21 seconds. These words aren't just a random combination. They're a catalyst for a transformation so significant that you won't recognize the person you were before. Can you feel the excitement building up? I'm not here to tease you with mere possibilities. I'm here as your guide, your companion on a journey to help you become a better version of yourself. If this message resonates with you, let me know in the comments. If you're ready to embark on this incredible journey, hit that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I've got a treasure trove of valuable insights waiting for you, and I want you to be the first to access them. Now, back in 1992, there was this cool study in the Journal of Neurophysiology that got us thinking about how awesome our brains are. They had people do a special mental workout, imagining tough exercises, but with a twist. They had to picture doing it with just one finger. The results were mind-blowing. The fingers they thought about working out actually got stronger. It makes you wonder how connected our minds and bodies really are. Let's talk about juggling, a skill that's tricky for some, including me. In a study from Nature magazine in 2014, researchers found that learning to juggle can do some good for your brain. MRI machines checked out the brain activity, and the ones who practiced juggling actually grew more gray matter in certain brain areas linked to seeing and moving stuff. It's like the brain saying, "Hey, I like this challenge. Let's grow in those areas." As I think about these cool studies, it makes me wonder about those 7 words that caught your attention. How do they fit into all this talk about imagining brain growth and mental exercise? Recent studies show that our brains can actually grow new nerve cells, which goes against what people used to think. This means you have the power to make new nerve cells and change how your brain works. Imagine that your life isn't already set in stone, but is more like a blank canvas waiting for you to create it. By using new words, feelings, and experiences, you can open the door to new possibilities in your mind, leading to real changes in your life. Viewing things over and over is the key to permanently changing how your brain works. Keep in mind how your thoughts, words, and the way your brain works are all connected. In Dr. Joe Dispenza's book, there's a fascinating experiment from a real hospital in New York City. 75% of stroke patients got back control of their paralyzed arms or legs through repetition and imagination. Repetition is like the key to unlocking our hidden powers. No matter what problems we face, thinking positive thoughts over and over can help us overcome them. It's like a mini miracle when the brain starts to act like the imagined movement is real, fixing things that were once broken. Now, let's talk about some powerful words you can use every day. Every day, in every way, I am. Fill in the blank with what you want, whether it's money, health, productivity, or success. Saying these words can make a difference. Think of them as signals that your brain picks up on, just like in that hospital study. So why not use this power for good? Lately, I've been wrapped up in this idea, a daily message to the world. Every day, in every way, I'm becoming. I want to include you in it. Share your positive words below, whether it's about money, health, getting things done, love, confidence, peace of mind, or being creative. Every day, in every way, I am. Fill in the blank and feel the good vibes I'm sending your way. These positive thoughts take just a few seconds, but they can make miracles happen in your life. If you keep doing it every day for a few weeks, amazing things can unfold, proving how strong our minds are. If you liked these words, check out the free video link to Dr. Joe Dispenza's most powerful guided meditation in the description below. Spend a few minutes in the morning or at night, and let it be the background music that changes how you think. As we wrap up this exploration into the transformative power of words and the incredible potential of our minds, always remember this: you are more powerful than you realize. Your life doesn't have to remain static. Your mind holds the key to change. Embrace the saying, every day, in every way, I am. Let it be the catalyst for positive shifts in your life, because within you lies the power to shape your future. If you found inspiration in these words and want to dive deeper into the realm of guided meditation, check out the free video link to Dr. Joe Dispenza's powerful session in the description below. Spend a few moments each day with it, and let the subtle changes in your thoughts guide you towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Thank you for being a part of this enlightening journey. Your presence, your thoughts, and your commitment to positive change are the driving force behind our community. Remember, you're not alone on this path. Together, we're shaping a future filled with endless possibilities. Until next time, stay positive, stay inspired, and I'll see you on the flip side of greatness. Let's continue this incredible journey together. Cheers!